This voice is recorded by a mobile phone and we will try to make it better by editing. This voice is recorded by a mobile phone and we will try to make it better by editing. Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing very well. Today we are gonna discuss how to record deep, crispy and HD voiceover from a normal smartphone. If you are a new YouTuber, then you will definitely know how voice matters in the video. If my voice sounds like this, you will definitely not see my video. So without any further talk, let's get started the video. First, set up environment and record. Second, process the audio with editing. So let's talk about the first section, environment. For the best voice, you should record in a quiet place or a minimal noise reduction. If you live in a crowded place, then record at midnight or early in the morning when everywhere keeps silent. Then, hand on the script, keep the phone at a distance of 4 to 6 inches so your mouth wind cannot affect the voice. Then just record the voice. In the second section, first we will use a free AI tool that enhances your voice by removing noise and echo. Go to the podcast.adobe.com. By the way, link is in the description. Create an account on it. It is very easy and will take about 1 to 2 minutes. I have already created account on it. Scroll down and go to enhance speech. Upload your file here. Let's look at the file. Click open. The file is uploading. While the file is uploading, open a new tab and search for Audacity. It's a free open source software that uses biggest industries. By the way, Audacity link is also in the description. Download Audacity and install from here. I have already installed it. Just wait for the processing. The processing is done. Download the file and save it. Let's download it. Downloading is complete. And here comes the main editing topic. Open the Audacity app from anywhere. Open the Audacity. This is our Audacity interface. Go to File, Open your processed file from Adobe Podcast. Let's locate it. Is this? Yes, this is. Click Open. Here is our file. Let's listen it one time. This voice is recorded by a mobile phone and we will try to make it better by editing. The result is amazing. First, Control A and select the audio. Go to Effects, EQ and Filters, and Filter Curve EQ. Then go to Preset and Settings. Then Factory Presets. Here we will apply 3 presets. First is Bass Boost, second is Treble Boost, and third is low roll off for speeds. Let's apply it one by one. First, select Bass Boost and click on Apply. Then again go to Effect, EQ and Filters, Filter Curve EQ, Preset and Settings, Factory Preset, and Treble Boost. Click on Apply. Again go to Effect, EQ and Filter, Filter Curve EQ, Preset and Settings, Factory Preset, and low roll off for speech. Click on Apply. The voice wave is changed a little bit. Now go again to Effect, Volume and Compression, and click on a compressor. Don't change anything of here. Leave it as it is and click on Apply. The voice wave changed again. Click on Effect, Voice and Compression, click on Normalize. Don't change it from anywhere, anything to click on Apply again. Boom, our voice is ready. Let's listen it one time. This voice is recorded by a mobile phone and we will try to make it better by editing. The result is ridiculous. The quality is great. For export, click on File, Export, Export as MP3, select anywhere and click Save. our audio editing is done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you again in a new video. Till then, goodbye.